Welcome to another Caristix Pinpoint how-to video. This time, you'll discuss how to select and filter messages based on trigger events. This type of filter is based on message structure. Let's say we want to test some scenarios, and we need a file containing admits, updates, and discharges only. First, let's open some message files. Just drag and drop right here. Now, to filter based on message types, select the Trigger Events tab. This shows all trigger events in the file we loaded and counts for each of them. To filter, uncheck the trigger event. For instance, let's remove all A11 messages. As we filter messages, see the message count changing. All we have to do now is to save the result in a new file. So right-click in the message area, select Save Messages, and select where to store your new file. This ends the filter messages based on trigger events how-to video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We love questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.